In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to add end screen and cards to your video. Now, as a newbie on YouTube, you might struggle to understand what is cards and what is end screen. Because I remember when I just started YouTube, that was part of the challenges I had. So this video is for you if you are a new creator and you are still trying to find your way here on the YouTube street. I'm just going to show you step by step how you can add end screen in your card. And after that, I will explain to you why it is important for you to do that. All right. So I'll go ahead and share my screen. So when it comes to adding your end screens and your cards, it is important for you to understand that it's best when you do it while you are uploading your video. All right. So if you are not familiar with how to upload your videos the right way, I have a video on that, which you will see here on the screen or here. So learn how to upload your videos the right way so that you will see the options available to you, how you can add your end screen and your cards. If you are still someone who goes ahead to upload their videos using the plus sign when you just go inside YouTube, you have to adjust that because the best way for you to upload your videos is through your YouTube Studio dashboard, because it provides you the options of adding your descriptions, your playlist, adding your end screen in your cards and your tags, okay? All the settings that you need to make sure your video is well optimized, all right? So now, you can add your end screen and your cards while you are uploading your video. Or you can also add your end screens and your cards to a video that is already uploaded. So because I don't have a new video today to upload, I will just use one of my old videos as example. All right. So just for you to know that when I started here on YouTube, you can see that I posted my first video on the 8th of January this year, 2025. I was not familiar with end screen or cards. So some of my old videos don't have end screen in cards. So I'm just going to use this video now. So if you want to add your end screen in your cards, want to do that on an existing video, you click this pencil here, and then it's going to take you to this interface here, okay? So basically, when you are uploading a new video, you go here, you click on the plus sign, then the video starts to upload, start to process, and then you have, while the video is trying to upload, you go ahead and you add your titles, you add your description, you add it to a playlist if you have playlists available, not made for, you do the proper setting that you need to do, and then click on elements. Now, you can either use a video as an end screen or a play, or you can add a link or a channel or a subscribe button, okay? So this is a very good way for you to keep viewers on your channel, all right? And another thing for you to consider while adding your end screen is making sure that the video or playlist that you're adding to that video as end screen is actually related to the video itself, all right? So now I think this video is about how I get my ideas for content creation. So adding an end screen now, when you click on video, for example, it's going to tell you most recent upload or best for viewers, or choose a specific video. You can either say best for viewer, or if you have a particular video that you would like to promote further, you can go ahead and choose that specific video yourself, okay? And then make sure that the video is actually related to that video that you want to add it to, all right? So I will just to hasten up, I will just add, in case you have a lot of videos, you might not be able to see all your videos here. So you can go ahead and search, type the title of your video, then it will come out for you to choose it, all right? I'm just going to add any video here because I don't want to waste time to start searching. Let me just add. So you can actually add up to 4 elements as end screen. You can put one video, you can put playlist, for example, you can put a playlist, then you can add this one that says subscribe, viewers to subscribe to your channel after watching your video if they liked what they watched, right? So you can actually add up to 4 elements. Let me add another video. Then I can just say, okay, let me leave this one for best for viewers, right? And then after you've done that, you click on save. So that's how you add end screen to your videos. And end screen is basically YouTube cards that shows at the end of your video, like in the last 5 to 20 seconds of your videos. So anybody who is watching your video, they might just see another topic that interests them, and then they click on that and they continue watching. So it's a very good way and a good strategy for you to keep viewers on your channel, especially people who are new to your channel, okay? Because I'm assuming your loyal subscribers must have already watched all those old videos of yours that you are adding as end screen, right? But if a new person is on your channel, for example, they just watch one of your video, and then after watching that, they see all these options of end screen, there is a high chance that they are going to click on one of those videos and start watching. So this is a good way for you to keep them binge watching your videos, and also that will in turn increase your views and your watch hours. So that's one strategy that you should be implementing if you want to grow your watch hour faster, and if you want to keep people in your channel. All these things contribute to YouTube recommending and pushing the videos on your channel. So now for the next part, we have the cards, okay? So cards are basically another way to promote your videos, your existing videos. You can also use your playlist, your videos, or links or channels as cards. You can add up to 5 cards on your video, okay? So this place here is literally showing you the length of your video, and you can choose where you want to add your cards, okay? You see? So now I'll say, okay, this is like 1 minute and 5 seconds into this video. I can decide to add one video as cards, right? Or maybe if you have some recent videos that are not performing well and you really want to drive more traffic to those videos, you can also use them as cards or end screen to, to make it available for people, to push it more to your viewers so that they can watch. It's another way to boost your views on videos that are not doing so well. So then you can just go ahead and add your cards. So you see how it pops up on top of the video. So while somebody is watching your video, this card here is going to pop up on the top right of the video. It's like advertising other topics that you have available on your channel. You can also say, okay, I'm adding a playlist. You see, it's going to reflect here. And then add another video, because you can actually add up to 5 videos, playlist as cards. So it's always good to mix it, add playlist and videos. Okay, it's a very good strategy to keep people in your channel and to keep them watching your videos. Okay, because when they go to your description, under your video, more of your videos will be lined up as well if you add your. So this is a very good way to promote your other videos, drive more traffic, drive more traffic sharing. So basically, it's not complicated at all. So if you have not been implementing cards and end screen to your videos, try it out, because those end screen and cards, they still bring you subscribers, they still bring you views as well, okay? No matter, even if it's not that much, but it's still something done if you are not applying it at all. So if you gain something from this video, don't forget to subscribe. And if you are new here, I am Angela, the face behind this channel, and I am always excited to bring you tips, updates, strategies, and anything that can help you grow faster here on YouTube to help you avoid mistakes that I already made. So that's it from me today. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye for now.